Today we are going to discuss something different, which is a product I newly bought, and that is HP Pavilion laptop. Okay, and the package is HP Pavilion 15 12th generation that has 12 gigabytes of RAM, 512 storage SSD. So follow me as I review and give some details about this product. At the end, if it interests you, you can go make a purchase from Jumia or from Amazon. I'll have Amazon link in the description for you to go purchase similar products. Okay, I bought it for about 690,000 Nigerian naira. Okay, that's my local currency because I'm from Nigeria. Okay, that's about $700 and something. So just let's talk about it. All right, here is the pack of the products of my HP Pavilion. So let me now unbox it before we start other things. The first accessory is the adapter. You can see is detachable, and then see the one assisting it. Okay, so let me just remove it from the pack. Good, you can see how it looks. It's cool. That's 45 watts. You can see that here. So, and from the manual, it is a fast charger. Okay, and here we have the manual, which contains the set of instructions. It's in different languages. We have this one is in English, this is in another language, and this is in Arabic. So they're proceeded in a way that it's not only for English speaking country, but people that speak other languages. So you must fit into any of these languages and pick the manual that fits into what you want to read about. Okay, and here comes the main product, which is the laptop, the original PC. So let's open it and feel it. And I can tell you that this is classy. Look at the cover. It's not plastic, but it is metallic. So it has a silver metal back. Okay, and it's durable. You can feel it. Okay, now let's talk about the specifications. From the pack, you can see the specifications. First is the name, HP Pavilion times 360 convertible 15 ER and so on. Okay, that is Intel Core i5 1235U processor, 512 GB solid state drive, 12 GB sodium DDR4 SD RAM, no optical drive, and it runs Windows 11 operating system. Touchscreen, multi-touch enabled, meaning that you can operate this by pressing on the screen of the PC. 3 cells, 45 WH, 39.62 cm, which is 15.6 inches. FHD, IPS LED display, 120 nits, B and R, meaning that this can serve you a lot of purposes. If you're into graphics, or maybe you are into photo editing or video editing, this can serve you. In fact, I bought this because my initial PC does not have the good capacity to edit video, so I know this will serve me well. Let's take a look at the back. At the back, you can see some descriptions about the products, this HP laptop, and here is where the sounds come from. Maybe you're playing some music or you're watching film, the sound comes from the bottom. Okay, Let's take a look at the size of this powerful laptop, thereby checking the size for ports and for charging terminals. By the side, you can see space for cooling off, all right? This space is for the earphone jack. So if you want to play music and you want to connect it directly to your ear, just plug the jack here, all right? Then by the side, you can see two ports here. This is HDMI, all right? You can see that. Let me get the camera closer. And this is a port for USB as well, all right? So let's check the other side. By this other side, you have two USB ports, okay? Then power source terminal where you plug in when you want to charge the device, okay? So let's now go and power this device on while we plug it to power source. To power this laptop on, press and hold on the power button. You can see it has shown white light. Let me take the camera closer. So give it just a few seconds and it will start displaying on the screen. Okay, let's now begin the setup proper, okay? So you can see I'm capturing the screen. So let's go with the language of our choice first. English United Kingdom is selected by default, so I'm okay with that. So I'll click on yes. On this new page, we are required to select our region. So I'm from Nigeria, so I'll scroll down to Nigeria and make the selection. Okay, here is Nigeria, so I'll click on it and then click on yes. On this new page, we are required to choose the keyboard of our choice. I'm okay with the one selected by default, so I'll click on yes. Do you want to add a secondary keyboard? Skip. On this page, we need to connect to the internet. So make your choice on how you want to get that connected and make progress. After connecting to an internet network, just click next and follow the rest of the prompts, okay? It's simple to set up a PC. After the setup of the PC, that's HP Pavilion, this is where we are landed on. If you look at the recording right now, you can see that this is mirror-like surface, okay? The screen is capturing my face. Now, let's take a look at some of the properties of this PC again from the laptop. Okay, we did that when I showed you under the cover at the pack. So but here, let's find out more as well. I'll do the same thing from the PC. So what I will do is that I will tap on the start button and then search for system information. Okay, see it here. So I will tap on it. Now this displays some basic information about this computer. Can see OS name Windows 11 Home Single version 10.0.22621 build 22621. All right. Now, this is the version that comes with this laptop, meaning that we still need to make some updates. Okay, let's get to the File Explorer so that I'll show you something. On this File Explorer, these are the major tabs we have here, but there's a recent feature added to to Windows 11, and that is the gallery. Okay, whereby you see your pictures and your videos from one folder. It's not here. So what that means is that we still need to update this PC to meet up with the recent features
on Windows 11. But that's by the way, we will get to that. Okay, so let's get back to the properties to see more. Okay, now you can see manufacturer HP, system name TechHub. I gave the name to this PC by myself. Then let's get to processor, 12th generation Intel R Core TM i5, okay, with 1300 megahertz, 10 cores, okay. That's a very sound PC, 10 cores, so it can do a lot of things for you at the same time, okay. Then these other features are there: embedded controller and by BIOS mode, okay. A lot of beautiful features, okay. Beautiful features. This one is the vision of the storage. Installed physical RAM. We'll talk about this before. That's 12 gig. Okay, now let me now walk you through on how you can update this PC, because when this program was installed was in 2012. Are you getting it? So 2022, sorry. So you can see then 2022. So we need to update it. So let's go update it to meet up with the standards currently in terms of the operating system. So hit the start, then get to settings. Okay. Now under settings, get to Windows Update. Good. You can see, okay, because I'm connected to Wi-Fi, the system has already started downloading some things. I've already downloaded some features that is updated on Windows 11 currently. So if you get to this section and you don't see this, download and install, just click on check for updates. You will see check for updates here. So click on that for the system to check for updates, which after you install it. You can see if I want to go on with installation here, I'll just tap on download and install. So these are just the basic properties of this PC, and it's a sound one, okay? It's a very sound PC, you can purchase it. I have the link in the description, so you go to Amazon and make a purchase, okay?
All right, first I want to say thank you for staying to the end of this video, okay? It means a lot to me, okay? But please, I want to make a simple request. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do that, okay? If this video is helpful, hit the like button. In fact, hit the like button, okay? It will help me, all right? To help me grow this channel. And also, leave a comment in the comment section. See you some other time.